Command.
Another human enters its robot avatar.
If it dies in this body, its mind is deleted.
Good luck, little human.
Victory.
As expected, the human defeated the single-sword robot.
The modest achievement. Coming up, 3 robots swing their swords at another robot.
The robot with a human mind.
How do you defeat 3 robots?
In the same way you eat an elephant, you slice them into small pieces.
Victory.
Look, the human robot defeated all the robots.
Well done, human.
Coming up, archers stand in a circle and shoot arrows at the human.
Time for this human to die.
Indeed.
Victory.
It seems archers don't hold any mystery to this human.
This is a pretty basic model.
Good point. What is next? Analysis bot.
The archers and sword robots join forces to kill the human.
How exciting.
Very.
Victory.
Nice. Everyone died.
Well done, human.
For our next challenge, we have a special guest.
Who is it?
You're about to find out. Look to the sky. The Emperor arrives.
Fellow robots, we have captured the few humans bold enough to venture into our space. But it is not enough. Billions of their minds remain, waiting to be harvested. Soon our fleet will arrive at the closest human outpost. While we wait, let us watch our latest combat robot in action. I give you Spidertron 5000. Victory!
I didn't know you could kill Spidertron 5000.
The human got lucky. The next one will get it.
Now we introduce Mark II sword robots.
Human fact.
Go ahead.
Some are named Mark.
Are they better than ones not named Mark?
No.
Confusing.
Victory!
That was a slaughter.
This human is not terrible at fighting robots.
Analysis bot. What is better than Spidertron 5000?
To Spidertrons 5000.
analysis bot. Didn't you say that Spidertron 5000 could not be defeated?
The human has found a way. We must start research on Spidertron 6000.
Not many challengers have reached this level.
Even fewer reach the one after that.
The Mark III combat archers are very good at what they do.
Repair closely activated. Victory!
That was a difficult fight.
We are just getting warmed up.
Next round, strength in numbers.
It is clear that this human can defeat robots. But can it defeat all the robots?
Let's find out.
Defeat.
The human